What's up, guys? Angry Comic Collector here, back again, and I'm gonna do another opening. I got 2 Vivid Voltage. I got 2 Chillin' Reign. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do the 2. My girlfriend wants to open some packs for me, so I'm sorry. I gotta save a Chillin' Reign and a Vivid Voltage. But I'm gonna do a Celestial Storm, 2. And a Vivid Voltage and a Chillin' Reign. So let's see what we got here. Oh, I picked up one of these. These are really cheap because the box is so freaking damaged. But it came with everything. Bird King card. So it came with pretty much everything. Everything's a little scuffed up. They're old, you know. But this ain't scuffed up. Pikachu! 24, yeah, and then I got that authenticity and everything, yeah. Awesome. I'm trying to force it back forward, Bang. The Pokeball back in there, there's Pikachu in there, alright? Hopefully Pikachu will get us some luck. So, we're gonna open this Vivid Voltage first. I like Vivid Voltage, and I want to still. I've opened probably 100 packs of these, at least, maybe more. But I have never gotten that Rainbow Rare Pikachu. If I can open these. Holy Jesus. Okay, that's everything. Just playing the whole damn thing. Alright. Code card. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Psychic Energy. Got a Giraffe. Electric. Got Sneeze. Milkree. Makeda. A Wooper. A Wincer. Jilbur. A Reverse Holo Blitzel. And a Fortress is the rare. So, not holo. So, womp womp womp. Big Voltage, nothing great, really. Okay, some Chillin' Reign then. Chillin' Reign. Go card. Sorry. 1, 2. Dark Energy. I have a Spiral Energy. A Crabominal. Fire Resistant Gloves. Clubhouse. Golett. Ladybug. Cast Form. Basic 1. I got a Cast Form. Sunny Form. Reverse Holo is the Expedition Unicorn. And, ooh, a Greedent Holo. So we actually got a holo out of that one. That's pretty cool. But ain't really what I wish it was. I wish it's okay though. I guess. Alright. And then the last pack of the day. Celestial Storm. Rayquaza. Code card. Psychic, TV Reporter, Life Herb, Gorbis, Trico, Wimser, Voltorb, Slugma, Surskit, and Reverse Hollow is Meditite, and a Macargo Rare. So it's alright. Wish there's something better, but you get what you get, I guess. Alright, so Angry Comic Collector is out. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace.